Evening everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Trying to go for a quick propagation video for you, see if it works. Let me just turn the camera around. Right, it is 8 o'clock at night, but still hopefully bright enough that you can see the magnificence, easy for me to say, of this dahlia. This one is called Babette. But it is the only plant that I have. I was given it at the start of the season. We are, what are we? 5th of September. And yeah, I know normally you do your dahlia propagation in spring, but I thought actually might see if I can get some soft tissue cuttings done at this time of year. So, having spied this little bit of growth this morning, I thought I might use that for some cutting material. So what I'm going to do, just take it off down at the base here and see if I can get a couple of new cuttings from it. So let's have a go. So knife just below there, and that's our cutting, or one section of cutting. And what I'm going to do is to one cutting, or one cut there, and one there. So let me just put the camera down and do this quickly. Right, couple of cuttings there. Whip off the leaves. Gonna have to use the knife again on this. So that's one of the cuttings. I've cut the leaves back by a good half. Excuse the noise of the tractor. Got multi-purpose with added John inners. Make the hole, and just going to pop that in there. Firm down. I have already moistened the compost and let it just drain away for about half an hour prior, and we just do that as well. And hopefully these will root in, I'd like to think, in a few weeks, but let's see. If you see the video, then you know it's worked. Right, we are back. So 15th of October, so about 5 weeks after start of the video, and these are the two cuttings that I took of Dahlia Babette. You can see, so that was the base section of the cutting, and you can see it's got new leaf formation, and strangely enough the top section, or the tip piece of that stem that I use, has gone into bud formation. Whether it actually fell, I don't know, but as you see, so yeah, 5 weeks to take some cuttings in the summer stroke autumn, well, say autumn. So yeah, that's bulked up my numbers to potentially 3 plants now. So I'm just going to grow these on over the winter period with a bit of protection, and help me bulk up my numbers. And like I say, we are into October, and yeah, Babette's still flowering quite happily. So obviously gone past the main bit, but you see what it's doing. So yeah, job done. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it interesting. You know, certainly from my point of view, having not taken dahlia cuttings in the well, autumn period before, I wasn't quite sure how readily they would actually take, but yeah, essentially taken in the same sort of time frame, maybe well, fractionally longer, but 5 weeks is still pretty good for doing some dahlia cutting. So yeah, any questions, please feel free to send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Keep subscribing if you like what I'm doing, and don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos that I'm doing. And yeah, always say it, but just get out, have fun in the garden, and till next time, there you go, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.